Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today I'm going to show you how to do a proper plank row. So grab your heavy dumbbells. I'm going to grab my 8 pounds here. So first we're going to start in plank position with the dumbbells, holding the dumbbells first. Your hands right below the shoulders. Start with your knees on the floor. Step 2, now next step you're going to come up on your toes. Make sure you're not dropping your hips or lifting your hips like this. Keep your back flat and imagine there's a water on your lower back. That's how straight your back should be. And do not drop your head or look up too high. Keep your neck neutral. From this position, you're going to slowly bring the dumbbell. I'm going to start with my left side towards the rib cage. Pause there for 1 second. Slowly bring it down. Same thing to the other side. Pause and then down. Again, your arm should be close to your body. Bring the dumbbell close to your rib cage. Again, pause. Slowly down. Up, down. Now, make sure you're not doing this. Notice, don't just drop your weights down on the floor. Slowly up, slowly down. And make sure you're not doing this either. Right here. So you're gonna have to pause up, slowly down. Now, again, another mistake. Make sure you're not doing this. For this, keep your body stable. The proper form, again, once again, pause, slowly down. Pause, slowly down. Now modify what you can do is, use heavy dumbbells, do it on your knees. Right here. Or another modification, you can come up on your toes and start without the dumbbells. Right here. Or another modification, you can use lighter dumbbells instead of heavy. So I would suggest doing about 6 to 10 reps, both left and right, alternating, for about 3 sets. So this works your back, your core, your glutes, your whole body. That's it for today. That was our plank row. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!